All right, what is up, my people? This is YungRichCuban, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a beat video for YouTube in Final Cut Pro on a MacBook. All right, so first off, the first thing you guys are going to need is going to be your JPEG pre-made and then your beat pre-made. I'm going to use these for a beat video that I have to post anyway. So we're going to go down here to Final Cut Pro. I'm going to hit File. I'm going to import media. I'm going to hit this one because this is my JPEG. Import. I'm going to go back to File, Import, Media, and then I'm going to go right here to the actual beat, Import. Now I'm going to look for them in my computer, which they're right here. I'm going to drag and drop. I'm going to make sure that my format is 1080p and my resolution is 1920 by 1080. Now, when I make this bigger, I can just drag it. This is the beat, the actual audio. Drag it, make it larger. It's a little bit too big there. So
the producer, YungRichCuban.
all right, sounds good. Okay, now I'm gonna add an ending. Set something basic. So we got here. That works. All right, this is the ending right here that I'm gonna go with. And then I'm gonna put please like and subscribe, which I recommend for every YouTuber. Sometimes people won't like or subscribe just because you didn't put it. All right, let's test this now. All right, so I'm going to try something that I don't normally do, and I'm going to import an intro picture.
Producer, YungRichCuban. The producer. The producer.
It's just a picture. All right, so this is going to be my intro. Beautiful. Love the intro. Love it. All right, so this is going to be my ending. Beautiful. All right, so now that we finished our beat video, now we're going to export the file. I'm going to go into the settings, make sure that this is H.624, which it is, which is perfect. Make sure we got the video and the audio. And our beat video. I'm going to put it onto the desktop. And it should start creating. And it has. It's right there. And as soon as it finishes creating the video, it should just automatically play it on the MacBook. Bam. There it is. So let's see how she came out.
The producer, YungRichCuban.
Alright, that looks pretty good now. This is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Alright guys, so that's it for today. How to make a beat video for YouTube and Final Cut Pro on a MacBook. I'll probably be making some more videos for you guys to help you guys out.